can you address the rumors that Ethereum 2.0 won't scale the way most people believe? Okay, I'm not sure which exact rumors you're talking about, so I'll just kind of make it general. So pretty much the question is, what will happen if Ethereum does not scale? Oh man, I mean, I think it's Ethereum's race to lose. If Ethereum cannot take advantage of what it has to scale, people will begin looking to other blockchains even more. And there could be a big exodus because ourselves, right? So our development team is currently prototyping the AD centralized token metrics asset allocator that can pretty much take our indices and trade on a DEX. So basically our AI indices would act as a data feed. And we have a working prototype ready, but our issue that we're also have been facing is that for the decentralized asset allocator to rebalance the portfolio or the index, it, it had it has to pay about $1,800 in fees, which is obviously not something that people want to do. And that's basically because of Ethereum, where it currently is. Now our team is working on workarounds around that. Kind of what other projects have done, essentially is basically do kind of like liquidity pools where they bootstrap liquidity and they wait until there's X amount of liquidity in that pool. I think Yearn Finance did this, Balancer did this as well, and some other projects. But right now, that's what DeFi projects have to do. They have to launch with enough liquidity where the transaction fees become minimal. But I mean, there are projects out there that hopefully would be a good backup if Ethereum can't scale. So let's say Ethereum cannot scale. That means products to look at would be Matic, which we've been very bullish on. XDAI is a project our team is very bullish on from a tech perspective as well. We've also been looking into Starkware as well. So there are layer two. I think if Ethereum cannot scale, we would have to look a lot more at layer two scaling and other blockchains to scale, whether that's Polkadot, whether that's ends up being Cardano or some other blockchain, or I know lots of people have been talking about Solana, but other blockchains and other layer two products would possibly take the world's attention and interest in that. So if Ethereum is not able to scale, or if it takes forever, somebody could really, or some project can really blow up overnight, and even make investors who are in that project very, very wealthy. Bill, your thoughts?
Yeah, I mean, on this subject of collectibles, Ethereum not scaling would be some sort of, explosion or apocalyptic event that you would see in like a comic book, right? I mean, you'd have Ethereum and all these related tokens, turning into dead money. And then, instantaneously the market has to go figure out what the replacement is, which, I'm sure the holders of, Polkadot and Cardano are, hoping for. I know it's a decentralized world, and it is kind of funny that the credibility and stability of the whole decentralized world is tied to a guy named Vitalik and the programmers that work with him. So that's kind of weird. Okay. But, if Ethereum 2.0 can't scale, you're going to have a convulsion in crypto that's going to turn a lot of people off as investors. Yeah. Some people are going to get rich, right? But
yeah,
markets do what hurts the most people would be taken to an extreme.
Wow. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Bill. Tell us what you think down in the comments below.